Good morning, students. Today we will discuss identity number 8. So see children, identity number 8, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to, in first bracket, x plus y plus z, in second bracket, x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So see children, this identity we can use if and only if four terms are available. See, in a given identity, first term, second term, third term and fourth term, four terms are available. Out of four terms, three terms are perfect cube, or we can say that they are related with cube. So see children, first term x raised to 3, second term y raised to 3 and third term z raised to 3. They are perfect cube, or we can say that they are available with cube. And fourth term is negative. So see children, fourth term is negative. And it is the product of 3 and cube root of the first term, cube root of the second term and cube root of the third term. So see children, x raised to 3, its cube root is what? X. So it is the product of cube root of the first term x cube x, cube root of the y raised to 3 is y and cube root of the third term z cube is what? Z. So x is the cube root of the first term, y is the cube root of the second term and z is the cube root of the third term. So fourth term is negative and it is the product of the 3 and cube root of the first term, cube root of the second term and cube root of the third term. Then only we can use this identity x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to this we have to write. Now this identity number 8, how we can use in question, that I can explain with the help of the one question. So question number 1, 8a cube plus 64b cube plus 27c cube minus 72abc. So see children, here in a given question there are four terms. First term, second term, third term and fourth term. And three terms are perfect cube or three terms are related with cube. So see children, 8a cube, 64b cube and 27c cube are the perfect cube. And fourth term is negative. So see children, fourth term is negative. So we can use this identity x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Now see children, to solve this question, first we will identify cube root of the first term, second term and third term. And fourth term we will arrange according to minus 3xyz. So first we will identify square root of the 8. First we will identify cube root of 8a cube. So see children, cube root of 8 is 2 and cube root of a cube is 8 and we can write its power 3. Cube root of the 8, 2 to the 4 to the 8. So 2, cube root of a cube is 8 and its power 3. Here plus then plus, here plus then also plus. Cube root of 64 is 4 because 4 4 is 16, 4 is 64. So 4 and b cube root is b and its power 3. Then plus then plus. 27 cube root is what? 3. So we can write 3 and c cube root is c and its power is 3. Now this minus then minus. Now see children, x is what you understood now? 2a. X is equal to 2a. Now we can write x is equal to 2a and y is equal to what? 4b. And y is equal to what? 4b. And z is equal to what? 3c. And z is equal to 3c. Now see children, now we can consider x is equal to 2a, y is equal to 4b and z is equal to 3c. Now this minus then minus, 3 then 3. Now x is equal to what? 2a. So we can write 2a. Y means what? 4b. So we can write 4b. Z means what we have to write? Z means 3c. See, z is equal to 3c. Now see children, now we will check our arrangement is right or wrong. So see children, our arrangement we will check right or wrong. 2a whole cube. So 2 cube, 2 to the 4 to the 8. So 8 came and a cube. So a cube also came. Plus then plus. 4b whole cube. So 4 raised to 3. 4 4 is 16, 4 is 64. So 64 came and b cube also came. And here plus then here plus. 3c whole cube. So 3 raised to 3. 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27. So 27 came and C cube came. Means our this arrangement is right. Now this arrangement, see minus then minus. Now 3 multiply 2a multiply 4b multiply 3c. Here 3, 2, 4 and 3 are the constant. So we will multiply them. See 3 2s are 6, 6 4s are 24, 24 3s are 72. See children, 3 2s are 6, 6 4s are 24, 24 3s are 72 and A, B, C. This A, B, C and this negative, so negative. So 3 multiply 2A multiply 4B multiply 3C. Its answer is minus 72 ABC. And see children, in our question minus 72 ABC came. Means our whole arrangement is right. So we can use our identity. In our identity, we can write in this way. In first bracket, x plus y plus z. So see children, x plus y plus z. First bracket, x plus y plus z. Second bracket, we can write this x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. See first bracket and this second bracket. Now we will keep value of x, value of y and value of z in our identity. So see children, is equal to x. X then what? 2a. So we can write 2a plus then plus y. Y is equal to what? 4b. So we can write 4b plus then plus z. Z is equal to what? 3c. So we can write 3c. Now in second bracket, see x square. X is equal to 2a. So 2a and its square plus then plus y square. Y is equal to what? 4b. So instead of y we can write 4b and its square plus then plus z square. Z is equal to what? 3c. So here we can write 3c and its square. This minus then minus xy. So x is equal to what? 2a. So we can write 2a. Y is equal to what? 4b. So we can write 4b. Minus then minus yz. Y. So y is equal to what? 4b. So we can write 4b. Z is equal to what? 3c. So we can write here 3c. Minus then minus zx. So z is equal to what? 3c. So we can write 3c. X is equal to what? We have to write 2a. So we can write here 2a and our bracket over. So see here x is equal to 2a, so 2a plus then plus y is equal to 4b, so 4b plus then plus z is equal to 3c, so 3c. In second bracket, x square. X is equal to 2a, so 2a and its square plus then plus y square. Y is equal to 4b, so 4b and its square. This plus then plus z square. Z is equal to what? 3c, so 3c and its square. Minus then minus x. X is equal to 2a, so 2a. Y is equal to what? This 4b, so we can write 4b. This minus then minus y is equal to 4b, so we can write 4b. Z is equal to what? 3c, so we can write here 3c. Minus then minus z is equal to 3c, so 3c. Then x is equal to 2a, so 2a and bracket over. Now see children, is equal to this 2a plus 4b plus 3c. 2a plus 4b plus 3c. In second bracket, 2a whole square. So 2 square, so 2 2s are 4. And a square, then a square. Plus then plus. 4 square, 4 4s are 16. And b square, so b square. Plus then plus. 3c whole square. So 3 square, 3 3s are 9. And this c square. Now see children, this minus then minus. 2a multiply 4b. So 2 4s are 8 and this ab. See 2a multiply 4b. 2 and 4 constant that we have to multiply. So 2 4s are 8 then ab. This minus then minus. 4b multiply 3c. So 4 and 3 are the constant. We can multiply them. So 4 3s are 12 then bc. 4 3s are 12 bc. This minus then minus. 3c multiply 2a. 3c multiply 2a. So 3 and 2 are the constant. We will multiply them. So 3 2s are 6 and ca. So we can write ca. See 3 2s are 6 ca. So this is our final answer. Our final answer is in first bracket 2a plus 4b plus 3c, in second bracket 4a square plus 16b square plus 9c square minus 8ab minus 12bc minus 6ca. It is our final answer. So see children, this is the normal explanation of identity number 8. I hope you can understand this. Thank you.